guys, my name is Diana. For today's video, I am going to be showing you new techniques on how to do your eyelashes. Some people tell me that I have big eyelashes, and the truth is I really don't have big eyelashes. I have very small eyelashes, and when we get started with this video, you are going to see that. But what I can do is show you these techniques and tips that I have to make it look like you have big eyelashes. I personally do not like to use big eyelashes on a daily, but if it does happen that I go to a big party, I want a full glam makeup, I will go ahead and use fake eyelashes. Preferably on the daily, I go ahead and use mascara. Eyes are the key to my soul. Really, that's like the one thing, the one makeup I will do. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be walking you through all this stuff, and I'm going to be using different ways to do this. Be focusing on the techniques that work for me, and maybe it can work for you. I'm going to be showing a different form of curling your eyelashes. Believe it or not, there's an easier way, because I know we're all intimidated by it. Use an eyelash curler, or you can use a spoon, something so simple that you can find at home. Technique, I learned it from my grandmother. She is Mexican, and I owe her this one. To begin with, you're gonna curl your eyelashes. So go ahead and do that. While you're holding the eyelash curler, you're gonna want to like make sure that it's all the way as far as you can get it. And you're just gonna press for about 15 seconds, and then you're gonna release slowly. You're gonna close your eye, and then you're gonna remove your eyelash curler from your eye. That already made a big difference. Now, if you're going to be using a spoon, what we're going to be doing is you're actually going to grab the spoon like this and press up. You're going to hold it, you're going to release, and bam. Alright, for the next step, what we're going to be using is a primer. Now, this is actually optional. I don't do it all the time. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. It depends on the time that I have. But it doesn't make that much of a difference. Okay, make sure that when you apply your mascara, you're actually applying the coat from... And I'm only going to use one coat. Alright, so there we have it. You can already start to see the difference. These already look longer, and these are just hanging out there. Okay, now for step number 3, what I'm going to be using, mascara. First option, I'm going to be sharing with you my 2 favorites. One is from Benefit. It is called Bad Gal Bane. I have been using this one for about 3 months. I am in love with it. If you are looking for something that's more affordable, option will be this one. It's called Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And so for the first one, I'm gonna be doing it on this eye. That's okay. Alright, so again, apply your mascara from the middle. I like to do one full like coat up, and then just work my way around and try to cover all of it. I mean, can you believe that? That's just with one dip, one coat of mascara. And I'm not done yet. I will go back and add another coat, but it already made a big difference. Alright, so then let's go ahead and apply it. And there we have it. So far, I think these eyelashes are looking a little bit longer than the ones on this eye. Once you let it dry, make sure you always let it dry because it will get clumped together, believe me. We're gonna actually add another coat of mascara. Okay, the last step is not too hard. It's actually very easy to do. This last step is something that I do, and I think it just completes your eyelashes and makes them look really full. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna eyeline the top lid. And it's important because it's going to make you look like you have a lot of eyelashes. Use is either a liquid. For today, I'm going to be using this one. It's from NYX liquid liner, or you can use a pencil. It's a matte black liner from NYX collection. It doesn't have to be these, it could be any preference that you might have. Alright, let's get to it. You're actually gonna outline this part of your eye, and you're just gonna look up. Would much rather take a risk and do the liquid liner. This is very intimidating. It does make a big difference. I like to use like the very thin brush. If you can see, focus. And you're just gonna softly, gently take your time. Don't feel intimidated. Haven't it already made a big difference? But not least, I'm gonna be applying white eyeliner to the bottom eyelid just to make your eye open up a little bit more. You don't have to do this. Some people like the dark eyeliner. The one I have here is from Revlon Photo Ready. But any white eyeliner honestly works. Alright, you guys, this is a final look for the day. Tips I would like to share with you. It just makes a big difference when you're trying to do your eyelashes. Tip is make sure that when you are done using your eyelash curler, and if you have any mascara or anything that's on there, make sure that you wipe it and you clean it. If you want to curl or recurl your eyelashes when there's a lot of mascara and lumps right here, because I have seen that happen. If you do that and you curl your eyelashes, rip your eyelashes out. Tip number 2, if you are running out of mascara, or if you realize that you don't have mascara left, make sure that you get your mascara bottle and you use a blow dryer with high heat, and it will melt some of the leftover mascara that's around here. And then you can just kind of work in a circle motion and just apply it. Tip number 3, whenever you're applying your mascara, you never want to go in and out like this. Make sure you work your way around. And if you do this, is that, well, one, you're not going to get a lot of product. That you're going to notice that your mascara is going to start to dry out. Okay, these are all the tips that I have for you guys. Well, that's all I have for today. If you have any tips or comments, please go ahead and do that in the comment section. I do have a beauty Instagram. It's called Beauty Diana Felix. And I will see you guys in the next video. Before we end, make sure you like, subscribe. Okay, bye.